Trust me, I know how frustrating it feels trying to start a dropshipping business from scratch. And that is why in this video, I'll show you exactly how to start your own dropshipping business today. So I'm going to show you how to use Doba, a US-based dropshipping platform that makes it super easy to find winning products, connect you with trusted suppliers, and automate your own store. This lets you start making money without stress. Basically, Doba does the heavy lifting for you, which makes Doba dropshipping platform suitable for both beginners and experts. So for those who don't know what Doba is an American B2B dropshipping platform founded in 2002, and that is over 20 years of experience in the industry. And as you can see on your screen, over 3 million dropshippers currently use Doba. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Doba to scale your online business. On Doba, you'll find over 700,000 products from trusted and reliable suppliers. All you simply need to do is to connect your store, pick a product, and Doba takes care of everything else for you, from packaging to shipping and handling of the product and order inventory, basically automating the order process for you. And so Doba works seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, TikTok, and Temu. Once you're on the platform, all you need to do is to connect your store. You want to simply select a product and click on add. And once you do that, the product gets automatically uploaded to your store. And I mean the images of the product and the description. So when a customer makes a purchase of this product, it's automatically shipped to the customer directly by the supplier of this product. So to simply put, you never have to deal with packaging, handling, or delivery of the product to your customer. All you just simply do is earn money. And some of the key benefits of using Doba is the fact that, as I mentioned earlier, they have over 700,000 products from various categories like health and fitness, sports, clothing, pets, electronics, and other niches from trusted suppliers to choose from. And also, they have over 1,000 suppliers on the platform. And so there is no minimum order requirement. And shipping is from United States, which basically takes between 2 to 5 days, ensuring fast delivery to your customers. And also, Doba has professional product selection team, which provides the hottest and newest products on the platform, making sure dropshippers are in tune with current trends. And I must mention, Doba has exceptional customer support. Should you encounter any problem or you need an assistance, just reach out to them by clicking on this button on your account and they will get back to you as soon as possible. I mean, just take a look at the review on Trustpilot from happy customers. As you can see, Doba has 4.6 rating on Trustpilot. And for those who might be wondering if Doba ships to other countries or other continents like Europe, Australia, or Canada, the answer is no, and that is because Doba currently serves the US market. So there are no options to ship to other country or region at the moment. However, you can create a Doba account irrespective of your country and you can run a drop shipping business on Doba. And like I mentioned earlier, Doba is a reliable drop shipping platform, given the fact that they've been in the industry for over 20 years. And so they do strict supplier audits, which ensures suppliers are trusted and reliable. And also, they have a 30 days return policy, which means you can return a product back and get your money back upon verification. So that makes Doba a simple and transparent platform. And like I mentioned earlier, it's suitable for both beginners without experience, anyone with an offline store, or a blogger who wants to sell products online, and generally anyone who wants to have an online business to earn money. So to get started, head over to Doba website. All you just simply need to do is to connect your store. And if you're not familiar with this process, all you need to do is to go over to the guide section, as you can see on your screen, and you're going to find it very easy to connect your store irrespective of the e-commerce platform you use. And once you do that, all you just simply need to do is to add a product and set up your prices. And once people start purchasing the products, Doba is going to do the other automation process for you. So I must say Doba is the best way to start an online business without stress. And also, once you are in your account, you can find a lot of products on the platform. Like I mentioned earlier, if you come over to the inventory list right here, as you can see, there are products from various categories. And also you can filter products based on suppliers, as you can see right here. You can filter products based on category, as you can see right here as well. You're going to see the price of the product right here. As you can see, this one here goes for $75, and you're going to see the shipping cost of that product as well. So if you click on action right here, you can either download this product if you want to do that. You can purchase this product yourself if you want to do that as well. You can also add it to any of your stores. And also, if you select any of the products right here like this, you can basically list them to your store directly. And also, you can add a tag if you want to do that as well. This is just to keep you organized. And so you know, Doba is also AI driven. As you can see on your screen, you can use the Doba AI store builder to create an online store. So if you click on it, as you can see right here, it costs just $2. All right. All you just need to do is to click on subscribe now, and you'll be able to create an AI store right away. They also have other AI tools right here, like AI product finder, AI auto lister, and AI listing optimizer. And if you scroll down, you're going to see the description of each of these AI tools and what you can do with them. So if I click on the AI product finder, as you can see, it's going to bring us to this page right here. And as you can see, you are going to see the top products from various categories. So basically, the AI product finder tool helps you find profitable products without you having to do the hard work manually. And if you go over to the pricing section, as you can see, they have affordable plans starting from $23 for the startup plan, and $47 for the business, and $166 for the business pro plan. So I highly recommend Doba for anyone who is looking to start an online business.